Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you had a nice Thanksgiving if that's something that you celebrate. This is just a quick video to share some new pillow crochet patterns that are available in my Ravelry and Etsy shops. I just reopened my Etsy shop, but as of right now, only a limited number of patterns are listed. You will find all of my available crochet patterns in my Ravelry shop. I'll leave a link to both shops in the description box. I've been hard at work crocheting, crafting, designing patterns, and putting videos together to share with you. It's a little overwhelming, but I still hope to post a few videos per week leading up to Christmas. I have so many projects going on at the same time. If you're looking for a quick and easy crochet project, you'll find a link to my video tutorial in the description box showing you how to crochet this cute little peppermint coaster. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and please click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. Now let's take a closer look at these fun winter pillows. I have two different evergreen tree pillows. For the first one, I used Bernat blanket yarn, so it is incredibly soft and squishy. But you can use any bulky yarn of your choice to get the same effect. You can also use a lighter weight yarn to make Christmas ornaments with the same pattern. You can easily customize the pattern, making it the size that you want. You can also add snow to the branches like you see here, or crochet it without any snow at all. You could also decorate it with some ornaments and make it into a Christmas tree. The second tree pillow is an extremely easy pattern. This is great for beginners. I used Bernat blanket yarn for this pillow also, so it is super soft. I love using Bernat blanket yarn. And this is just a very basic, simple tree. Sometimes the more simple designs make a bigger statement. It gives you a nice pop of color. I'm currently tweaking the patterns for both of the trees, but I hope to have the complete pattern posted on both of my shops on November 30th. The next three designs are my version of Pottery Barn's Christmas pillows. Their pillows are so adorable, but their prices are just too high. So I decided to make my own, and I actually like them better than Pottery Barn's. This little gingerbread man turned out so cute. I just want to poke his little belly. This is another easy pattern to crochet, but you should have basic knowledge and experience working with crochet before starting this one. This cute little gingerbread guy is ready for Christmas, and you can embellish him however you want. I have a lot of ideas in my head for different versions, so don't be surprised if you see more gingerbread pillows in my shops. They are very addictive to make, and you can never go wrong with the classic gingerbread man in your Christmas decor. The last two designs are my Christmas candies. For both pillows, I used Bernat Softy Chunky, but again, you can use any bulky yarn that you want. You should have an understanding of basic crochet techniques and experience to work on these patterns. I stumbled across this adorable cat pillow on Pottery Barn's website. I didn't make this one yet because I just found it, but I just think it is so cute. I love it. But $70 for a pillow is just not reasonable in my opinion. So which pillow was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video and supporting my channel. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up.